How to use multi-track editing in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and make sure you have multiple video and audio tracks visible in the timeline. Next, drag and drop your clips into different tracks on the timeline. You can use separate tracks for background music, voiceovers, b-roll, main footage, titles, and more. You can also rename each track to keep everything organized. To add a new track, right-click on the timeline and select Insert Track or Add Track. Then choose either a video or audio track based on your needs. You can also select Delete Track to remove an existing track. Now arrange the clips on the timeline to layer them accordingly. For example, place your main footage on one track and overlay titles or b-roll on the track above it. You can also use transition effects between clips on different tracks. Simply overlap two clips from different tracks and then apply a transition effect. Make sure to lock or mute specific tracks when needed to avoid unintentional changes. This is especially useful when focusing on editing a single layer. Now you know how to use multi-track editing in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.